Tim Clark, Director of Retail and Leisure at Hughes Ellard Surveyors. It's been a very positive start to 2015. Take-up's been very, very good throughout the South Coast region. In general, we've found that there's fewer and fewer empty shops on the high streets, and overall retailer sentiment is very positive. The main growth areas in 2015 have been similar to 2014. The leisure side of the business has continued to prove to be very strong, reflecting changing shopping and leisure habits in the UK. Coffee shops continue to be at the fore of retail high streets business, and we're seeing more and more leisure occupiers, restaurant occupiers coming into shopping centres like this one at Whiteley. They're now making up, in general, about 30% of the occupier mix in many of the schemes that we deal with. In terms of shopping centres that have done well in the Solent region, I think Whiteley Shopping Centre is obviously an outstanding example of one that has done well, with virtually 100% occupancy. West Quay Southampton continues to perform well, as does Gunwharf Quays in Portsmouth. In fact, really, when we look at all our high streets in the Solent region, in general, they're doing well. In terms of development in the Solent region on the retail and leisure side, there's a lot happening in Southampton at the moment. We've got the Watermark West Quay Phase 3 scheme, which went on site in the autumn of last year and is well underway. You've got the Grosvenor scheme in the Cultural Quarter, which is up and running. And also down at Ocean Village, you've got Admiral's Quay, where they've just introduced their first letting to loungers. Hughes Ellard ourselves are involved in Centenary Quay on behalf of Crest Nicholson, which is a mixed-use scheme of residential and retail and leisure space at Walston Riverside in Southampton. We've been marketing the Hillsey Bus Depot site, former Hillsey Bus Depot site in Portsmouth, where we've secured tenants for that. We've also secured tenants for the City Gateway site in Southampton. So overall, these are all commercial spaces within mixed-use schemes, and we're finding there is tenant demand for those spaces. I think the feeling from the general election is that we hope for continued stability, really. The last 2 years have been one of steady growth, and retailers and leisure occupiers would probably like things to just continue in the same vein. In terms of trends for the remainder of 2015, we feel that there's unlikely to be any significant rental growth in the retail market. Rents really fell back significantly from 2007, up to 30% in most shopping centres and leisure centres, and we feel really that it's going to be a very slow increase each year, and it may still take a number of years to get back up to those 2007 levels.